Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fun, fast Tinkercad tutorial. So let's get cracking. Friends, if you relaunch Tinkercad today, you will find something called Sim Lab. There are templates that you can use in the gallery, but let's just build one on our own. Friends, this is lesson 1 of Sim Lab. Let's make a target. So give it a name, and then we are going to bring out a pin. We're going to rotate this 90 degrees. My favorite way is to do shift rotate, so it's only 2 clicks. And then I'm going to hold down shift and stretch it, but I'm going to type the number 5 and press enter. I want this to be something that we can hang something on, and then we're going to simply shoot at it. Stretch it out nice and long. I'm also going to tell you to take the sides down to 8. The Sim Lab is a bit faster when you have fewer faces. Now we're going to lift that up in the air. You can pick whatever height you want, and we're going to put a torus around it. So of course, when we bring in the torus, look at it from an angle, and then I want you to click on it and do shift rotate to stand it up. And then we're going to select those two and do L for align. We want to bring it up here, and we want it to be to the middle. I'm going to tell you to the middle and to the middle. So you can see that fits all the way around it, nice and dandy. We're going to hang something off it. Let's bring out a circle. I'm going to make it red just because I think that's cooler. Once again, bust out the shift rotate. Notice you only have to go 2 clicks. I'm going to do D to drop. I'm going to bring out another pin. I'm going to shift shrink this as well. And let's stretch it out. And let's line these up. So I'm going to grab these two and do shift select to get the other one. We want to do center, and we're going to do center this way. And I also want center this way. Lift this up so it connects. You can use the lifting cone, or you can do control up. When you've got it where you want, I'm going to do control up to lift the other one up. And then I'm going to grab these 3 pieces, and I'm going to make them a group. So friends, what we have just done is built an awesome little project, super fast, and we are ready to go to the Sim Lab for the first time. I do want to turn on multicolor just because I think it looks cooler. And when we hit Sim Lab, we've got some options. So first, you've got to wait for your item to exist. We've got to pick things that aren't going to move, and we've got to say make them static. So that stays there forever. I'm going to back up a little bit, and friends, when you hit play, boom, it is dangling in front of you. If you left click, it throws things. So now as I aim with my mouse, I can actually hit that and make it spin. Friends, there you go, your first project in Sim Lab. You can back up, you can reset, you can hit play, you can have a ton of fun exploring all the things that are available in Sim Lab. When you're done, you can hit pause. Of course, you can always go back and edit your 3D design. For instance, say if you do Control D, you could have 2 of them. Maybe you also want to put something on the ends so that it won't fall off. I'm going to real quickly make a tower over here, and I'm going to do Control D, and I'm going to make that same tower on the other side too, so that they stay connected. That looks good. That looks good. I could get fancy. Shift select, shift select, shift select. And let's even align those so it looks a little bit more spiffy. And then group. Let's go back into Sim Lab. Since I changed those, I do want to click on this and make them static again. And once again, when we hit play, boom, now we've got 2 targets to shoot at, with all kinds of amazing objects. Friends, there you have it, a super fast, fun activity using Tinkercad Sim Lab. I hope you had a ton of fun. I would love to see in the comments below what your favorite object to throw was. Finally, friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.